इसलिए अगले दिन की चिंता कभी ना करना, क्योंकि अगले दिन की just seen the computer screen. I showed you a copy of the Hindi script. I studied Hindi back in the 70s, from class 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 years I studied Hindi when I was in class 1, 2 and 3, and I've never forgotten it. So I'm gonna give you a sample even till today. So I'm reading that script on my laptop here. It says, इसलिए परमेश्वर के राज और उसके नेक सितारों की पहली जगह देते रहो, और ये बाकी सारी चीजें भी तुम्हें दे दी जाएगी। इसलिए अगले दिन की चिंता कभी ना करना, क्योंकि अगले दिन की अपनी ही चिंताएं होगी। आज के लिए आज की परेशानियां काफी है। So what is the purpose of me doing this? First of all, I'd like to thank all of you who are coming on to our platform, Vuvale Kokawa, meaning strong family, Mazboot. And those who haven't joined, please do so, because we'd like to grow the Fijian language. Fijian language has less than 1 million speakers worldwide. Hindi has one of the largest number of speakers. Is it over 1 billion? And Chinese as well. But Fijian has less than 1 million. And if you join in, then we will perhaps make it grow to over 1 million. Now, I've said before that the problem is when we are overseas, we don't have the benefit of fluent speakers around us. But that doesn't, there is no problem. What I want to do is, or what we want to do together is to first of all start by mastering the Fijian alphabet, Ambada. If you've never had the opportunity and you regret it, that you wished you could have back in the day, that's okay. It's never too late to start. So first of all, we will master the alphabet together, Ambada, and by October, that's a goal for all of us, our favorite Fiji family diaspora, Vuvale. Excuse me. By October Fiji Day, I want all of you, or we want all of you, if you can, by October Fiji Day, master the 23 letters of the Fijian alphabet. That is the starting point. Okay, to everything that we endeavor to try out, or anything we would like to do. Sorry about the coughing. We always have a starting point. So the starting point for us together, our Vuvale, from us to you, is to master the Fijian alphabet, only 23 letters. So by October Fiji Day, we will have all of us, all of you, saying the Fijian alphabet by heart, just like you say A, B, C, D, all the way to Z or Z, from memory. That's how we want all you also to do that with alphabet. And that's the goal that we are going to pursue together. Okay, so I did that with Hindi. I've never forgotten Hindi. I love Hindi. It's part of me because as a young boy growing up in Lambasa, in Honolulu, I learned all that, and I have never forgotten. So that is maybe, I hope, just to inspire you for our Fijian heritage, because Fiji is part of your heritage as well. Not only Hindi, not only Chinese, not only Kiowa, Banaba, Rotuma. The Fijian language is also part of your heritage. So let's do this together. Let's grow it, and let's keep growing the language together, and hope to hit the million, and then over a million. If we can go past a million, well and good. Okay? Binaw ko kalibo.